So far I've drinking this whole bottle of water, and now I'm just making some coffee. I'm using this brand. So I'm gonna have this Kite Greek yogurt. I got the unsweetened one. It's my favorite non-dairy yogurt, and I like the Greek style because it's thicker. And then I'm gonna add in this collagen, which is gonna boost the protein. It has lots of omegas as well. So then I just added some berries as well as some granola. This is the one I've been trying. It's a paleo ginger shot one. I like it because it's got a lot of ginger in it, and it's also paleo, which is nice, but it's good. And I also really like making food pretty, so I did add a little bit of mint into it as well. I like the taste of mint, and it's really like fresh with all of this, but I'm so excited to dig in. If you guys know about Golden Girls, you know how much I love it, and I've been watching it every morning because it's on. I wish it would come to Netflix because I would watch it all the time. I mentioned this before, but I also like to put this in my water, so I put this first thing in the morning and then maybe one throughout the day, just to help you hydrate, especially after caffeine, which is very dehydrating. This just has trace minerals. It's basically like electrolytes. It'll focus. So it just has calcium, magnesium, sodium, basically all your trace minerals. It's really good, and you just need a few drops, so like 10 drops. So this bottle lasts a very, very long time. Hey everyone, so we're back from lunch now. If you didn't see what I had, I don't think I explained it because it was too loud in there to hear, but I had a lavender mojito kombucha and then these paleo eggs benedict. So the base of the bread was paleo itself, and then it had eggs and like a vegan hollandaise sauce with a mixed green salad. It was delicious. It was the first time I've ever seen a place that had paleo eggs benedict. Normally I just ask for the eggs benedict wherever I go, just like no bread, or put it on avocado if it doesn't already have avocado. So it's really cool to find that. But yeah, I'm just going to do some work now, I think, and I can show you a haul. I'll show you a haul. So I placed an order on Thrive Market because it's so much cheaper than other places. This is not sponsored whatsoever. Like, I got everything with my own money. It's just Thrive Market doesn't deliver to Canada, but I can deliver it to Florida and then take it home. So I got a full box of the Purely Elizabeth grain-free granola bars in the coconut cashew because that's my favorite grain-free granola that they have. So it's just that in a bar. Thought this would be really yummy. And then I wanted to try her new oat cups. So there's the blueberry lemon. I got a couple of those. And then I got the vibrant turmeric ones, which, to be honest, I thought I got one of the pink ones, the pitaya, but clearly I did not. So, and then I just got almond flour because it's a really good price, and some of my favorite crackers, which are the sea salt ones. So you guys saw where we went for dinner. It was delicious, and I want to talk about like balance when you're like going out to eat or going on vacation. You guys saw how I got like the poke bowl, which was delish. I love ahi tuna, but then I also had a few of the truffle fries because truffle fries are my favorite food by far. So like that's how I had balance. I had like a salad with ahi tuna, which was really clean, and then I had a few truffle fries because they're my favorite. So it's all about balance. And like I made a healthy choice, but also had a few like indulgent things because it's a vacation. So I wanted to show you guys this robe that I got. It's from Show Me Your Muumuu, and look how pretty it is. It's just like a silk robe, and I love that you can wear it like in the morning when you're drinking coffee, but you can also style it with shorts, with dresses, so you can like wear it around the house but also wear it out. And I never wear color, so this is big. I also wanted to mention a couple things. Number one, if you watched my Whole Foods / Trader Joe's haul in my last video, if you haven't seen that, I will link that down below. But the cauliflower gnocchi were amazing. You can't even tell that they're grain-free or that they're like good for you, and they're made with really clean ingredients. There's only cauliflower, potato, cassava, sea salt, and olive oil in them. They're from Trader Joe's. So good. So if you guys live near Trader Joe's, you need to try it. I just sauteed it in a pan with some avocado oil and garlic. They were so good. I couldn't even tell that they were like grain-free and gluten-free. Like, they're just amazing. So wanted to update you guys on that. Second of all, I feel like a lot of people, or a lot of you, don't know that I have a blog, so I'm gonna leave that always in the description box, because I'm gonna be posting like exclusive stuff on there, like certain like recipes that won't make it to my YouTube, and just like more lifestyle articles, like, you know, how to boost your energy, or, you know, that kind of thing. Also, I want to know what kind of like lifestyle vlogs and content that you guys want, because I do a lot of what I eat in a day, which are fun, but I don't know, like, if you want to see like a cleaning routine, a skincare routine, or things like that. So just let me know about that. I feel like I had something else. I feel like there were 3 things I was going to talk about, and that's only 2. Well, if I don't remember the next one, then this will probably be the end of the video, and if not, then, you know, we will see. Again, after dinner I probably won't have anything else, because I had a lot of truffle fries and they were so good. They were one of the best truffle fries I've ever had, so that was delicious.